Litter of edition of Luxe Born to be Bad and edition of Luxe Chanel. They are 28 days old today. We are feeding them with the mother and also helping them with goat milk. They are 28 days. Very healthy puppies and very promising puppies. This is the male. Very massive little boy. His name is edition of Luxe Watch Me Play. This is a red and white female. Her name is edition of Luxe Legend of My Home. Very cute little girl also. This is edition of Luxe Snore on My Tail. She's the most massive one of the litter. This brindle bitch is very similar like edition of Yesterday Tears. She's her name is edition of Luxe Just Delicious. All the tails of the puppies are straight. They have very nice tails. And this is edition of Luxe Major League. Very, very promising little girl. Flashy red and white. All puppies are very healthy in this moment. And they are 28 days old today. Looking forward to see them walk in a couple of in about 6-7 days. I hope they will be walking around. Mother is taking care of them very, very good. And just like I told you, they are very, very healthy in the moment. We have not had any kind of problem whatsoever. If you have any questions, I'm Alfred Lobry from edition of Luxe Bulldogs.